Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, which is this SIM ejector. Now they can provide it in the back, so you can find it somewhere in there, but if you don't feel like bothering, you can always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from there, once you have that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located, I believe, on the bottom of the device. Yep. So it's right over here, as you can see. Just gonna put that pin in here, pop it out like so, take it out, and from here you have space for the SD card and SIM card. Place each one accordingly. Now you can also place two different SIM cards, so if I just take this out, instead of the SD, you can place another SIM card on the SD tray like so, as you can see. Let's switch it up and place one of each. There we go. Oops. Okay, so as you can see, now it's in. Make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, as they are, and then slide it back into the device. There we go, and we should be then prompted with the pin for the SIM card. So there we go, just pop that in, and as you can see, the SIM card is already working based on the pin, and SD card is working as well. So that is how you would insert both of them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.